Hello everyone, here we have to find out the values of integers a, b and c, where the sum of all these integers is 93, their product is 3375 and their ratio is given by this 1k k squared. So first of all, let's use this information. So if a, b and c are in this ratio, so a can be written as 1 times a, which is a, where a is any positive constant. Any positive constant. So b can be written as a times k. C can be written as a times k squared. Now to find out the values of a, b and c, if we find out the value of a and k, our job is done. So let's focus on that. Now as sum of these three integers is 93, so let's use these values and substitute here. A plus a times k, which is b, plus ak squared, which is c, this is equals to 93. I can take a outside the bracket and write down this as it is. Equals 93. Now on the left hand side, I have the product of two numbers. These are two numbers. So 93 can be written as product of two numbers, which is 3 times 31, which is nothing but factors of 93. So it is possible that a could be 3 or a could be 31. So for example, let's say if k equals 1, what happens with a? So if k equals 1, let's substitute here. So that will be 1 plus, so that will be a times 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3 times 31. And that will be 3a equals 3 times 31. So that means a is 31. Now let's verify whether a equals to 31 is a valid value for a or not. So I'm going to use this given information here. So I'll write down a times b times c. So that will be a times ak, a times ak times ak squared equals 3375. Now that will be a cubed k cubed equals 3375. That can be written as a k cubed equals 3375. Now just take cube root both sides. That will give you cube root of 3375 is 15. You can use a calculator. And now let's substitute a equals 31. So 31 times 1 gives you 15. That's not equal to 15. That means a cannot take the value 31. So that means I'm not going to take this value. This means a equals to 31 is not the valid value for a. And since 3 and 31 are co-prime, that means a has to take the value 3. So that means a is 3. So we got one of the value. That means a is 3. Now as a is 3 and ak is 15, so I can find out the value of k by substituting a equals 3. So that means I have 3 times k equals 15. That means k has to be 5. Once I know the value of a and the value of k, I can easily find out the values of these three integers. So let's write down. So a is 3, so that means this is going to be 3. A times k, that means 3 times 5 gives you 15. And a times k squared, that is 3 times 5 squared, gives you 75. And that's my answer. If you really enjoyed watching this video and learned something, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.